everybody, it's Linda. Welcome back to Tips for You, and Happy New Year. I want to help you get in shape this year, and I have a great workout for you, and you can do it anywhere. Now, while I'm telling you about it, I want you to start moving, okay? So let's just start marching in place to get our blood flowing. This is a standing in place workout. You're going to love it. You can do it anywhere, in any small space. So if you're in a studio apartment, you're in an office, you want to get some blood moving, some circulation going on in your body. You want to start burning some calories, get your metabolism to go up. This is perfect for you. So devote some time every day to doing this exercise routine, and you will see results. I promise you. This is one of my favorite things to do. A few quick points before we begin. Always listen to your body and take breaks if you need them. Number 2, start small. Build your strength slowly over time. Number 3, if you experience any pain or discomfort, stop the exercise and either advance to the next exercise or discontinue exercising until you feel better. Do not push through any pain. So I want you to wear sneakers, pick a spot. I'm doing it outside today because I have the fortunate ability to, which is not usual. It's winter here, but it's a warmer day. And I want you to start taking that march more dramatic, all right? Lifting those legs, really get pumping, really get that blood working. Let's get those muscles charged. We want to engage them, all right? Now let's get moving. Okay, for a count to 10, let's bring our arms up and to the side, and let's tap to the side. 8, 9, 10. Now let's go forward for 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now out to the side again for 4. And front for 4. And side again for 4. And front for 4. Swing those arms. Keep them going. Now we're going to add a high knee. So let's tap it out to the side and add a high knee. 10 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's bring it forward now for a count to 10. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alternate side and front. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to high knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go back to forward tap. Keep those arms moving. Keep those arms up. That's what helps your heart keep going. We're counting at 8 each. This is our last set, and then we're going to be moving our legs backward for back taps. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Make it exaggerated. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's keep it going. 2 more sets. This is great for you. It's like skiing. Keep those arms high. Really use your cardio. You're burning calories. You're doing great. Ready to pump those arms at double time. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those feet tap forward and keep those arms pumping. Go. Give me 2 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tap it out to the side. Double arms. Keep going. Pump those arms out to the side. 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do high knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms up. Keep it high. Keep it going. Feel that burn. Get ready for double arms. We're going to pump it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me another set. And then we're going to take our legs down and tap front and back. Keep those arms pumping though. Keep them pumping. And tap back and front. Now get ready to just tap back and back. Keep the arms pumping. Tapping back. One more set of 8. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's tap sideways and open arms out, okay? We're going to start doing some chest presses. We're going to work our arms, our chest, and our shoulders. Give me 2 more sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Get ready. Arms are going to be going up in a shoulder press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now get ready. We're going to be going up and down with our arms. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Really move those arms. You want to work those arm muscles. Get ready because we're going to be bringing our arms out to the side. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me another set. And then we're going to be taking arms up and out. Okay, double time. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's shake it out. Shake out those arms. Just tap, tap forward, tap side, tap forward, shake them out. We're going to keep going, but we're going to get the blood out of our arms a little bit. Feels good, doesn't it? You're doing great. Keep moving. Now we're getting ready to tap out to the side with arms out to the side like we did in the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 2 more sets of 8 and then we're going to tap forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's tap forward now. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be taking it up. Last set before we do high knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. And go. High knees. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Two more sets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more set. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's tap forward. Arms are still swinging forward and back. Be exaggerated. Really work it. Give me 8 more, and then we're going to tap back. Get ready to tap back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go right into 2 sets of high knees and high arms. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me another 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do bicep pumps out to the side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more, and then we're going to shoulder press it up. And then we're going to alternate. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alternate arms out and up. Out and up. 3 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last set before we shake it out a little bit, and then we're going to resume. 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to take it down a little bit and shake out our arms. And after we shake out our arms a little bit, we're going to start the last part of this workout. Your heart should be pumping now. You should be feeling really good. You should break a sweat. You've got lots of energy. We're coming into the final stretch. So keep tapping it out to the side. Keep moving your arms. And we're going to be moving our arms up a little bit higher as we get back into it and pick up speed. And then we're just going to do our final push. Get ready to tap forward for 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get ready now to do sideways taps. Arms up. Let's get 2 sets in of 12 for a total of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to go forward now. Ready? We're going to do 2 sets of 24 again. Work it. 10, 11, 12. One more set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's take it into high knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me 8 more, and then we're going to pump it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms up. Knees high. 2 sets of 8. Let's go. 8 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do double time with our arms. Get ready for double time. 1, 2, 3. Really work it. Move those arms. Let's do 2 sets of 10 on this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to take it down and tap forward. Keep our arms moving now, okay? We're going to do 3 sets of 8 on this. We're really working it now. So keep it going. Keep it going. We're getting towards the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep pumping those arms, and we're going to tap our feet back. Give me 2 sets of 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, give me 8 high knees to finish this off, and then we're going to take it down and tap it to the side. You're doing great. Take those arms out to the side. Bring it in for bicep curls. Tapping it out to the side. 2 sets of 8 bicep curls. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take those arms up in a shoulder press. Keep tapping to the side. 6, 7, 8, and 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you're going to bring your arms in across your chest in a fly position. Bring those elbows together and tap out for 2 sets of 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's alternate. Ready? And we're going to go up and then across. 2 sets of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now we're going to mix it up. We're going to do high knees, and we're going to do 4 sets of 8 for a total of 32 because we're coming into the finish line, guys. Come on, push it, pump it. This is the end. Give it all you got. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! You're done. You did it. You did it. Woo! Shake it out. Now take it down to a low level, shake out those arms, okay? Wasn't that fantastic? Now after you're done shaking it out and your heart rate goes down and the lactic acid gets out of your muscles, I'm sure you're feeling it, then I want you to do some stretching, okay? I want you to do first some standing up stretches for your quads like this, and this, and you hold on to something if you need help with your balance. I want you to sit on the floor, open your legs and stretch. Stretch up and over your head like this. Okay, stretch out those arms, just shake them out. Do a little bit of stretching. You can follow this up with some sit-ups if you want to keep going. Otherwise, once your heart rate is down again, you can get back to work or get on with your day or continue whatever you want to do. Alrighty, so I hope you found this video really helpful. I've had requests for a standing up workout that's, doesn't take up a lot of space, and I hope you enjoy this one. It's one of my favorites. And please subscribe if you're new to my channel because I have a lot more to come, something of interest to everyone. And please visit me at my blog spot where I do a lot of writing, and I'm also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so we can stay connected there as well. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Thanks so much for viewing. Bye-bye now.